Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will explain the novel To Kill a Mockingbird. It is an amazing art piece of literature. Before starting, it is a humble request, kindly please must subscribe to my YouTube channel. To Kill a Mockingbird, written by Harper Lee and published in 1960, is a seminal work of American literature that addresses issues of racial injustice, moral growth, and the complexities of human nature. The story is set in the fictional town of Macomb, Alabama, during the 1930s, a period marked by racial segregation and the Great Depression. The narrative is primarily seen through the eyes of Scout Finch, a young girl, and is told in retrospect by an adult Scout. She, along with her older brother Jem and their friend Dill, becomes fascinated by their reclusive neighbor, Boo Radley. Boo is rumored to be a mysterious figure, and the children concoct various stories about him. The novel's title is derived from Atticus Finch's advice to his children that it's a sin to kill a mockingbird, as they only bring joy through their songs and do no harm. Atticus Finch, Scout and Jem's father, is a lawyer with strong moral principles. He is assigned to defend Tom Robinson, a black man accused of raping Mayella Ewell, a white woman. The trial becomes a focal point of the novel, showcasing the deeply ingrained racism of the time. Despite overwhelming evidence supporting Tom's innocence, the jury convicts him solely based on his race. The novel deals with the pervasive racism and prejudice in Macomb, exploring the impact on individuals and the community. Atticus, portrayed as a moral compass, teaches Scout and Jem about empathy, understanding, and the importance of standing up for what is right, even when it goes against societal norms. The second part of the novel shifts its focus to Boo Radley, revealing his true nature as a kind and misunderstood individual. The narrative intertwines themes of innocence and the loss of it, with Boo serving as a metaphorical mockingbird, an innocent being harmed by society's judgment and prejudice. Throughout the story, Scout and Jem also grapple with the complexities of morality, learning that good and evil are not always easily defined. The novel emphasizes the importance of perspective and understanding, challenging preconceived notions and encouraging compassion. To Kill a Mockingbird has had a profound impact on readers, addressing issues of racial injustice and promoting empathy. It remains a classic in American literature, known for its